to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates. Satoshi Fuji sensations in the whirlwind, surpassing the professional players who has a more difficult than the University of Tokyo and its income. A 17 years old high school professional shogi player Satoshi Fuji Dan has been attacked by the shogi. If you win Ekai Watanibo Gosei triples count in the third games of the key sessions on the July 9th. It will be the youngest title ever to win the titles, and there is no doubt that a Fuji fever will occur again. Journalist Minoru Yamada reports on how popular the shogi world is. Fuji Nandan is in a great shape in this game of the holy chess, which becomes the first titles challenge. He won the first and the second stations, and Gosei Watanabe in a session, and is taking the title to win the title. If you win the games on July 9th, you will set a new record of 18 years and 6 months, the youngest record of the titles acquisition. Fuji Nandan has also won the first sessions of the toast against the Kimura Thorn, and the possibility of the doubles crown is emerging within this year. In October 2016, Fuji Nandan was promoted to the fourth dan at the age of the 14 years and 2 months and became a professional. This is also the youngest in history. It is the word to say because it been 4 years since then, and I am already trained to get on top of the top professional chess players. Looking at the age of the legendary shogi players when they were promoted to the fourth dan, Kaito Eiji ninth dan retired was 14 years and 7 months old. Koji Tanigawa ninth dan was 14 years and 8 months old, and Yoshihiro Hanyo ninth dan was 15 years and 2 months old. Watanabe's triple crown was 15 years and 11 months old. You can see the speed of the Fuji Nandan. Currently, it is the Nobuyoki Yoshiki who holds the youngest record of the first the questions. In the early 90s chess holy battles, the two-stage system, he defeated Seisai Nakahara 16 master. It was 18 years and 6 months old. Fuji Nandan is trying to break this feat for the first time in 30 years. Only a handful of the elites can join the professional training centers to become the professional chess players. You must join the new players of professions. Encouragement Society of the Japan's Shogi Federation, which is a training organization for the professional chess players. To do so, it is necessary to pass the entrance examinations held in August every year, which is a challenge from the first step. There are primary and secondary tests. The first exams is as much between the returns and test takers. If you clear this and proceed to the second exam, you will have an interview with an active encouragement member. The minimum requirement for passing is to win one active encouragement member here. Welcome to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates.